morning, boys and girls. This week we are starting to talk about finding the missing add-in, and really all that means is that we have something, or if you have something, that looks like this. You are able to figure out what number is missing right here. So both of these numbers in an addition equation is called an add-in. And really, we're just finding the missing number. Okay? So today, in order to get our brains ready and warmed up to do this, we're going to use tens frames to practice. Now, I don't particularly like these two examples because this is not how we fill in a 10 frame, okay? The rest of the pages I did like, but I don't like these two because it's not how we fill in a 10 frame. When we fill in a 10 frame, we always start with the top left corner, but then we go all the way across the top. So when the top is full, we can look at it easy peasy and in a snap, know that it's 5. Where I have to look at this, I really have to count, and I'll count by twos because I see that they're stacked. So 2, 4, 6. But that takes me longer than if this whole row were filled and then one more. Well, I know that this is 5 and one is 6. Okay? So when you fill in your 10 frame, make sure you start with the top left corner, but go all the way across the top first. So what this is saying is that we are finding the missing number. 6 and blank make 10. So this is saying 6 plus something equals 10. We have to find this something, okay? Using a 10 frame gives us a picture and it helps our brain connect it. So I see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 apples, okay, 6, and blank. Well, I know that this is a 10 frame, so when it's all filled up, I know that it's 10, and I can see that these 4 squares are empty. So, 6 plus 4 must equal 10. So we're going to write a 4 right there. Okay, let's look at this one. 8 and blank make 10. And, up here, you can practice making this too. It's always good practice. Even though we're great big first graders, it's still good to practice our handwriting and writing our numbers so that way our handwriting muscles get stronger, and also so that way our handwriting gets nicer, because our handwriting will get nicer with practice. So this is saying 8 plus something equals 10. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8. I don't know if those are lemons or balloons. I have 8 somethings. I know that this is a 10 frame, and I see that these 2 squares are empty. So 8 and 2 must make 10. Okay. This one down here, the tens frame is filled in the correct way. They're going across the top. So this is saying 3 plus something equals 10. Okay? Now, I know that this is a 10 frame, and if you have to count each square, okay. But remember, each row has 5 in it, so this bottom row is completely empty. So I know that I need 5 and 2 more. What's 5 plus 2? 7, right? Maybe you can look at it and see, 5 and 2 more, I need 7. So 3 plus 7 make 10. Okay. Looking at this page, you're going to do the same thing, but I want you to practice this page on your own. This last one doesn't have the 10 frame, but look at how they're set up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 in a row. So it's still set up as a 10 frame. So it should still be easy to look and see how many more you need. Try this page on your own, and we're going to be talking about this for this week, and I can't remember if we talk about it next week. I'm sure that we do talk about it. We do talk about it next week.